What if you could earn digital gold just by plugging in a machine? Does that dream still make sense in 2025? With Bitcoin's fourth halving in April 2024 dropping block rewards to 3.125 BTC and mining more competitive than ever, can newcomers still break in and profit, or is it a game for the pros only? Welcome to BingX. In this video, we'll break down Bitcoin mining in 2025, from how it works to how you can get started, and tips to maximize your profits. What is Bitcoin mining and why does it matter? As a proof-of-work blockchain network, mining is the backbone of the Bitcoin network, empowering miners to solve cryptographic puzzles and add new blocks to the blockchain. In return, miners are able to compete every 10 minutes to earn 3.125 BTC plus transaction fees, all while protecting the network from fraud and censorship, making Bitcoin unique among digital assets. Has the Bitcoin mining landscape changed after the 2024 halving? After the 2024 Bitcoin halving, block rewards dropped to just 3.125 BTC. Around the same time, the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs and the approval of the strategic Bitcoin reserve frameworks in the US brought a new wave of institutional credibility and mainstream attention to Bitcoin. As adoption grows, the race for those 3.125 BTC rewards has gotten more intense. And with Bitcoin breaking past $110,000 to hit a new all-time high, the network's mining difficulty is also at record levels, making it harder than ever to mine. Now, here is where things get interesting. According to Cointelegraph, Tether is planning to open source its mining operating system, or MOS, by the end of 2025. The idea is to level the playing field for miners of all sizes and cut out the need for expensive third-party software. MOS is designed to be scalable, modular, and peer-to-peer. This means it can run on anything from a tiny Raspberry Pi to massive industrial mining rigs. This move could really open the door for more people to join the mining ecosystem. It's a bold step that could democratize Bitcoin mining and attract fresh players into an industry that's been largely dominated by big corporate miners. And if it happens, it might just reshape the future of how the Bitcoin network stays secure. So how does Bitcoin mining work in 2025? Bitcoin mining is like a digital treasure hunt happening every 10 minutes where thousands of machines race to solve a mind-bending puzzle. Imagine rows of powerful ASIC computers feverishly guessing numbers, trying to unlock the next block and claim a reward. Currently, 3.125 shiny new BTC. It all starts with miners gathering fresh transactions, smashing them together into a cryptographic block, and then frantically tweaking a special code called a nonce. The goal? Find that 1 in a trillion combination that makes their block's hash start with a string of zeros. When someone finally cracks it, the victory is broadcast across the globe. The block is added to Bitcoin's public ledger, and the winner pockets both the new coins and the valuable transaction fees. This relentless competitive process keeps Bitcoin secure, decentralized, and buzzing with energy, literally and figuratively. What are the main ways to mine Bitcoin in 2025? And which mining method fits your style? Solo, pool, or cloud? Solo mining means you keep the full 3.125 BTC if you win, but with today's difficulty, your odds are tiny unless you have massive hash power. Pool mining is the most popular. Over 80% of miners join forces for consistent smaller payouts. Top pools now control over 30% of the global hash rate. Cloud mining lets you rent hash power, but it comes with high fees. So what hardware and software do you need to compete? Are you still thinking about mining with a regular computer? In 2025, only specialized ASICs stand a chance, and here are some of the popular ones. First, the Antminer S21 Pro. This delivers over 200 terahashes per second with strong energy efficiency, ideal for industrial setups. Next, the Wattsminer 66S. It's known for its stability, compact design, and excellent cooling features. It's a favorite among both solo and pool miners. Third is the Bitmain Antminer T21. This is a cost-effective option with a lower hash rate suitable for smaller operations or at-home setups. In 2025, Only those ASIC miners can really keep up. These high-powered ASIC machines might cost a pretty penny, but they're engineered to squeeze out maximum Bitcoin while sipping as little electricity as possible. You see, efficiency is measured in joules per terahash, or J/TH. The lower, the better for your wallet. Now, once your hardware is humming, you'll need mining software to connect your rig to the Bitcoin network or mining pool. Popular picks like CG Miner, BFG Miner, Easy Miner, or Kudo Miner make it easy to get started and keep your mining operation running smoothly. While it's technically possible to mine Bitcoin at home with a supercharged graphics card, the odds of striking digital gold solo are incredibly slim. Think of it as buying one lottery ticket when everyone else has 1,000. If you want a real shot at earning rewards, your best bet is to team up with a mining pool where you join forces with other miners and share the spoils. So how do you actually start mining Bitcoin today? The first step is to set up your ASIC in a cool, well-ventilated spot, as these machines can draw over 3,000 watts and get loud. Then install your mining software and decide solo or pool. Solo mining gives you full rewards but is rarely profitable for beginners. With Bitcoin's high network difficulty, the odds of mining a block alone are extremely low. That's why most beginners join pools like Foundry USA, F2 Pool, or Ant Pool. By combining miners' power, pools offer miners smaller but more frequent payouts and a better chance of steady income. So where should you store your Bitcoin rewards? How safe is your Bitcoin? Let's look at a couple of storage options for your hard-earned BTC. Hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor store your BTC offline, protecting you from hacks. Custodial wallets from exchanges are easy but less secure. Full node wallets, such as Bitcoin Core or Umbrel, give you maximum privacy and control, but require more setup and storage space. Secure exchanges like BingX will keep your Bitcoin safe. Which will you trust with your digital fortune? Is Bitcoin mining still profitable in 2025? Margins are razor thin after the halving, and electricity is your biggest expense, with some miners paying less than $0.05 per kilowatt to stay profitable. Efficient ASICs, cheap power, and good maintenance are crucial. Many miners are turning to renewables like hydro or solar to cut costs and avoid regulatory crackdowns on energy use. The question is, will your setup survive the squeeze? What pitfalls should beginners watch out for? Here are 4 things to keep in mind. Pool and cloud mining fees can eat into your profits, as most pools charge 1 to 3%, while cloud contracts are often pricier. Regulatory risks are real. Some countries have banned mining or imposed strict energy rules. Mining income is taxable in many regions. Are you ready to report your earnings? Equipment failure from overheating or dust can kill your ASIC. Will you keep your gear clean and cool? So what's the step-by-step checklist for new beginners? Ready to get started? Here's your checklist. Buy an efficient ASIC miner. Set it up in a cool, low-cost electricity location. Install mining software. Join a reputable pool. Secure your wallet. Track your costs, Bitcoin price, and network difficulty for maximum profit. You ready to start your mining journey? Get Bitcoin on BingX. In addition to mining Bitcoin, you can also invest in BTC by trading it on BingX. Simply create your BingX account, complete your KYC verification, and fund your account. As a next step, you can head to BingX Spot Market and find the BTC/USDT trading pair. Place a market order or limit buy to buy Bitcoin securely on BingX. But the question is, will you join the Bitcoin mining revolution in 2025? With shrinking rewards, rising competition, and new technology, Bitcoin mining in 2025 is not for the faint of heart. But for those that love a challenge and want to be part of history, it's still a way to earn, learn, and shape the future of money. Are you going to take the plunge? Drop your questions below. Subscribe to BingX for more crypto guides. Like this video, and remember, every block is a new adventure. I'll see you next time.